Hi everyone, this is a quick review of the Oster Juice Simple 9000 series, basically juice extractor. So this I paid about $100 from Target, and you may find something cheaper online, but I had paid something around 100, not including tax, so about 110, 115 after tax. And this is the item here. I've used it now for the past year, and I got into juicing quite a bit recently, just due to health benefits and such. And I primarily use this not only for creating apple juice, but also carrot juice. And let's just jump right into it. This is a fairly easy juicer to put together. You've got basically a variety of different components that come apart. You've got this little, this filter here that basically filters out all the juice before it excretes out. And this is basically the top of it. It goes on the top right here. The little presser has a groove too to make it easy to go up and down, so it's not that hard. And it comes like with a little container to fill up. So very easy to put together. Not too difficult to clean. Pretty easy to clean and such, which is really nice. The only problem is this filter here. It's a great filter. It's a metal filter. It's not plastic or anything like that, which is very nice. But it doesn't filter all the components of the, let's say, fruit you're juicing out of the juice. So for example, it'll excrete right here, majority of it, 95%. But there's a lot of components that still get excreted out. So I don't know if there has to be a second filter in terms of a revision of this Oster juice extractor, but for over $100, I would expect this to take out a closer to 98% or 99%, not like a 90%, where you have a variety of different fiber items from the vegetable or fruit that you're juicing. So that's one of the downfalls. Hopefully they can improve for next model. Another one is the plug here. The plug is not that long. I mean, yeah, it looks kind of long here, but it's not really that long. And if you have cabinets in your kitchen because you're gonna have to, press this up and down, you can't have any cabinet space above it. And especially if you have these components that are on top of it, this lifts up the height at a considerable amount. So maybe the plug being this a tad bit longer would be appreciated. You got two different settings. You've got the low setting here, and you've got also the high setting. I've used both high and low. Low really does the job. And high, this makes it the blade and speed of it much more faster. So anyways, that's just a quick review of it. My recommendation is it is a good product. Would I pay $100 for it? I think it's a little bit on the high side, to be frank with all of you. If this was around $50 or around that range, I think it'd be a better deal, and I think a price point that matches what it does. There's a variety of other brands that are out there that do juicing as well. But this one's nice, but the price may not be justified in the purchase. So anyways, I hope this was helpful. If you guys have any questions, feel free to post it below. And another thing I want to be able to just notate is, let's see if I can take this out right here, is the juice gets caught up. There's like right here in the bottom hand, this juice piles up, and it's very tiny little crevice, so it goes all around. and it's very difficult to clean any type of fibers or juice within this area here while you're washing by hand and such. Now, as you can see, I went ahead and made some carrot juice, including some added celery, and you can see how messy it can get in the components itself, but it juices quite well, as you can see, and this is how it looks like with all the components together, and it has delivered the final product. But other than that, highly recommend it. If you guys want to have any questions, feel free to post them below. More than happy to answer them. Press the like button if this was helpful, and comment below if you have any questions, like I said before. Thanks. Subscribe for more product reviews. Thank you.